This is how you cook grenades. First, left mouse button, then right mouse button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Usually is there a 9 or 8 second. That's how long it takes. Usually it's 8 or 9 seconds. Then he explodes. Incendiary grenades or flashbangs has another story to them, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, let's go. All right, come on.
Flashbangs also have 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Go to bed.
As you can see. So ask yourself, what about Molotovs?
Yeah, good to go.
Well, nothing.
Gonna use a Molotov.
Doesn't matter. By the way, this is... It also is vice versa. Right mouse button and left and blap. So it's vice versa. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something new.
Flash out!
Like and subscribe for more. Please share. I'm some subscribers here. And I guess. And have a good day. Adios amigos.